Welcome everyone to this sound journey for the full moon in Libra. So there's lots of ways of looking at this full moon and lots of symbolism that we could use. But I think I'm going to focus in today on the ideas of harmony and balance. Harmony because Libra is ruled by the planet Venus, which is all about finding beauty and creating harmony in our lives, looking for peace. And as it is a full moon, and full moons are related to our emotional well-being and our dreams, it's about finding that balance and peace within. And if we're able to do that, then we're more able to go for what we want in the outward world. Because at the moment the sun is in Aries, the first sign of the zodiac. And it's all about, as spring is, all about going out with passion and zeal, going for what you want, creating what you want. Very much about putting your passions first and following those dreams and making them real. So as always, we will begin with a relaxation, followed by a visualization, and then moving into the sound journey before we have a few minutes silence. And I will bring you back. So start by making sure that you are comfortable, whether you're seated or lying down. Making sure that you have no distractions, your phone is switched off. And intending this time for yourself. Starting with your eyes open. And just connecting with your space, with your room. And just noticing it today, how it feels, how you feel in it. Whether you feel alert or whether you feel calm, peaceful. Whether your mind is busy or whether it feels quite calm. So it's just noticing how you are. And taking a breath in and a breath out, and as you breathe out, sinking down into the chair or the floor and letting go and relaxing. As you breathe out, allowing your shoulders just to gently release. As you feel your energy moving down through your body, feeling it move from the head down through the heart, down through the legs, through the feet, down into the earth. You're really rooting yourself. And then on the next out breath, gently closing your eyes, taking your focus within, noticing how that feels. Just checking in with yourself. Feeling the weight of your body. And just connecting with your breath and finding a rhythm of breath that works for you. And as you're breathing in and out, just noticing the rise and fall of the chest, and the movement of the abdomen. That continuous inflow and outflow. Breathing in the new and releasing the old. And as always, we can use the breath to both relax and connect with the whole of our body. And on the next in-breath, breathing in and breathing all the way down to the tips of your toes. And breathing out and releasing toes, the soles of the feet, tops of the feet. Really intending your feet to be heavy and yet also light as they begin to relax. And breathing into the heels and the ankles. Again, do it a few times, and on every out breath, just releasing. Breathing into the calves and the shins. Breathing into the knee joints, allowing the breath to create space within the joint. And breathing down into the thighs, and breathing into the hips and the pelvis, and again breathing in to the pelvis, imagining that it's an oval bowl which you're filling with air, and as you fill it with air you create space, allowing the hips to open and widen, and so the legs relax further. When you feel the weight of your legs. And then breathing from the top of the spine all the way down to the base. And imagining the breath is massaging each vertebrae of the spine. Creating space. Feeling the spine lengthen. Relaxing the curve at the bottom of the spine. And then widening out the breath across the whole of the back, the lower back, middle back, upper back. Breathing into the back of the shoulders. And then breathing into the chest. And down to the abdomen. Just allowing the front of your torso to soften. Again, breathing into the chest and then widening out across the shoulders and down both the arms, right to the tips of your fingers. Just feeling that breath travelling all the way down your arms. And as you're breathing out, relaxing, letting go, feeling the weight of the arms. As you relax the hands and the wrists, lower arms, the elbows, upper arms, and shoulders. Taking your attention to the back of the neck and breathing into the muscles either side of the spine in the neck. Allowing them to soften. And breathing through the head, coming to rest at the centre of the forehead. And again here, just checking in with your thoughts. Are you able to stay with the breath and connecting with the body, or is your mind elsewhere? And of course, we all have thoughts and our minds will wander. But the key is about noticing when our mind wanders, just gently bringing it back to the present moment, connecting with the breath. And then from here, taking your awareness down through your face, relaxing the sense organs, the eyes, the nose, the ears, the mouth. Just intending them to find balance. So they're not working too hard, they're just having a sense of easy reception. Breathing into the jaw and the hinge of the jaw. And breathing down through the front of the neck. Relaxing the throat. Or coming to rest in the center of your chest, in your heart center. From this place, just checking in again with the whole of your body, noticing how it feels. If there's any places that feel held or you sense tension, just breathing into these places, just intending relaxation, an easy flow of breath and energy. So with the breath, we're both relaxing and we're also intending flow. So the body feels connected and whole. So bringing your attention back to your heart space, to your center, and just noticing how this space feels right now. Just breathing into it and gently connecting to it. And as you breathe into your heart, just hold the intention that with every breath, the heart softens and opens like a flower gently opening up from a bud. The flower may have a colour. It may be a flower you're familiar with, that you know and love. And as that flower gently opens, you begin to hear the most beautiful music. And it can be any kind of music. It may be a song that you know. But I think the important thing is that it makes you feel open and joyous. And you know that this music has the power to bring balance and beauty and peace into both your internal world and your outer world. It brings harmony to all the different aspects of yourself, your mind, your body, your emotions, connecting with spirit. And when all of these aspects are in alignment, in harmony, working well together, it means that we're more able to fulfill our desires, what we wish to do in our outer world. It's almost like the orchestra is in tune with itself. And when it's in tune, you are able to create beautiful music. So today we're going to be just holding that intention of harmony, of being in tune. What we need to do to create that inner balance, to make sure that all the different parts of ourselves have been given good attention, so that we're able to fulfill what we wish in the outer world. And as we move into the sound part of our journey, just keep listening with that idea of how you find harmony and balance within the sounds that you hear. That may change and move throughout the journey, but just keep holding those qualities and just noticing where you go with them. And as always, I will hold the time, and I will come and collect you when we have completed our journey. So imagining the flower that was at the centre of your chest. And just start to gently draw in the petals so that it resembles a soft bud. Knowing that the experience that you've had today is held safely within its petals. Just gently breathing into this space. And as you start to breathe and becoming aware of your breath, you just start to widen out your awareness, keeping your eyes closed, but just becoming aware of your physical body and the space around you. Feeling the weight of your body on the floor, on the chair. Every time you breathe in, you're really grounding yourself. Every time you breathe out, you feel yourself sinking again into the floor and connecting with the earth. And before we start moving, just opening your eyes, just connecting with your room, noticing how you feel. And you may wish to carry on relaxing or meditating. And if so, just carry on. Do what feels right for you. But if you do want to bring yourself back and continuing with your evening or your day, just starting to become aware of your fingers and toes, breathing into them, gently moving them. Moving your hands and your feet, your wrists and your ankles. And then gently moving your shoulders and beginning to stretch however you need to. Just to bring yourself back. Taking your time, just imagining that you're still listening in that deep way, listening to yourself, and just following what you need to do and how you need to do it. And you may want to have a drink of water or have something to eat. And that will really help you just come back into the present moment. And during the time of this full moon, just be open to embracing harmony and balance in your life, whether that's through listening to some of your favourite music, painting, drawing, writing, all of those things that connect you to your creativity. Just admiring the energy of this time of the year, of the springtime. So I wish you a really balanced and beautiful full moon. Take care and go well.